Hello guys and welcome to Cryptiony. It's an app, it's a website, it's a platform that will count, calculate and submit and help you submit your tax, give you a full report that you can be compliant obviously with the laws and regulations in your country. And obviously it's very important to do it every year. I already done mine, so hopefully you can use this one or similar to do yours as well. It's very cheap. I found it recently. I already done mine in another one, but this one is cheaper, and so far I tried some transactions, and it seems to be very nice. And obviously then we can get the total calculations and hopefully submit them. Everything will be correct. So run through the features, integrations, which exchanges, which wallets it supports. That's very important. The prices obviously as well, and show you quickly here around the dashboard how to load the transactions, how to import them, and to see if everything is fine. So first thing would be the features. Obviously counting the calculating your transactions. It is for UK and for Poland. UK, you've got 20 days left, so it's perfect timing just to have a try, maybe see where you stand. Even guys, when you are at loss, let's say last year was obviously not very good for you, even if you are at loss, it's still very good to have this backup and submit it to HMRC, to the tax office, because then let's say next year you've got profits, you made it, you are doing fine, and you can offset those losses with the profits. So obviously if you had some losses this year, submit it to HMRC, show them that you had losses, and then next year if you have profits, you can cut those losses from the profits and pay less tax. This is obviously a very good thing if you were trading already, if you were in crypto, in DeFi. And as you can see, the prices here, the free plan is up to 500 transactions, which is not bad, at all. I just loaded quickly one of my DeFi wallets, Phantom Network. It was 50 transactions, so depends what you're doing, how you're doing it. Maybe it's going to be even enough. With depends on your on the way you're obviously using crypto trading or something. Then we've got the starter one, which is up to 1,000 transactions, 5,000 transactions, and the pro in unlimited. And also this is very nice here, CPA review. This is, I think, a chartered accountant, crypto accountant. If you add that from £169, that's £200 extra. Honestly, I've seen another website like that doing it, and they were charging 400, I think, or 450 for the review, and in here you've got it for 200. So this is definitely the cheapest one I found, and obviously also has all the same features, and you can run it through professional just to give you a peace of mind that everything you have done is correct. And then obviously unlimited transactions as well, everything is included. So very nice if you are day trader or trade a lot of things, a lot of transactions in and out, then obviously that might be the one for you. And all the features, as you can see. So now the integrations, as you can see, obviously of all the exchanges are supported. Some of them have API connection, API integration, which basically means like this. An example of Bybit, every exchange you can go to the settings, you've got API, you can generate a new key, you've got the key and the secret phrase, and then in the app you just connect that. They don't have Bybit here, you have to download transactions, but Binance and some other ones have API, so obviously it's much easier and faster. In here, when you add transaction, Bybit has to be through the CSV file or Excel file, but with Binance, for example, you can integrate it with API. All you need to do is create that key in Binance, public key, private key, and it will simply connect and stay connected and load all your transactions and keep loading them. As you can see, there's tons of these integrations, tons of exchanges, and on top of it, as I said, I managed to connect my DeFi wallet, which let me just show you here. Connect wallet. As you can see, you've got all the DeFi stuff. I did Phantom, connected my wallet here, and it's integrated, loaded the transactions, everything is fine. So this is very cool. That also supports DeFi and obviously the typical crypto exchange. And obviously once you have everything loaded, all your transactions correct, everything here, connected wallets, connected exchanges, you can go to your taxes, and obviously you have the taxes depending on the years, and can go back to the other year, but I don't have anything here because my transactions are new. So, and you have to, I think, declare your tax history here, but in general you'll see here your report that you can download. You can obviously have to make sure everything is correct. Always go to like transaction history, see if everything is right, everything seems correct. You can filter it and stuff, and then after you have it, you go to do the summary to your taxes, make sure calculations are okay, nothing weird here, and you can download your report, and that report can serve you as you can submit it yourself. You can take the calculation, submit it to HMRC, or give it to your tax agent, to your accountant, and they will submit it for you, because they usually don't calculate this stuff. I have my accountant that doesn't do it. They just wait for me to give them like the full report, and then they submit it, make sure everything is correct in the correct fields, but I have to give it to them myself. So this is it, guys. Cryptiony, very cool platform to calculate your taxes if you're in UK or in Poland. Maybe they will expand in the future to Europe or USA, but for now we have it here, and just make sure you are complying with everything. Like I said, it's not that hard to do it, and just see where you're at with your transactions, with your wallets, with your money, to be obviously always safe with the government. So thank you guys for watching.